next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 59, verse 10.
Our Lord, forgive us and our brothers who preceded us in faith, and put not in our hearts any resentment towards those who have believed.
This supplication indicates the importance of fulfilling a characteristic of being a true believer, namely, to love for others what one loves for themselves, which has been advised in a narration found in Jami Tirmizi, number 2515. Just like one would love Allah, the Exalted, to forgive them, they should desire this, and supplicate for it for others also. In fact, the one who supplicates for another, in their absence, will gain the supplication of the angels, according to a narration found in Sunnah, Abu Dawud, number 1534. A Muslim should practically demonstrate this characteristic by striving to aid others in beneficial things, just like they desire others to help them in useful things. The one who behaves in this manner not only proves their intention, but as a result, will receive the support and aid of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds, which has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunnah, Abu Dawud, number 4893. This supplication also indicates the importance of not possessing any negative feelings, such as envy, towards others, especially other Muslims, as this attitude completely contradicts the concept of Islamic unity and general peace amongst people in society. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has indicated the importance of uniting in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, in many narrations, such as the one found in Sunan, Abu Dawud, number 4910, which commands Muslims to act as one family, and avoid all things which can prevent this, such as envy. One of the main reasons why the Islamic nation has weakened over time, even though the population of Muslims has increased, is because they do not fulfill this important characteristic of avoiding things which prevent unity. The companions, may Allah be pleased with them, were relatively few in number, but as they lived as one family, one body, they overcame all difficulties. Whereas, the modern-day Muslims have divided into groups because of their negative feelings for each other.